Recording. Who are you?
Brad Niensteadt, Senior Product Specialist here at Kinze, and been here for 15 years. Been on the farm my entire life. I definitely owe a lot of where I've been to my parents, and growing up on the farm, chores were a daily part of life. We've done everything from farrow to finished pigs to milk cows to beef cows, and now we've kind of transitioned to crops only on our farm, but been involved my whole life.
All three of my boys, they worked before they went to school, and they worked when they come home, and I think all of them carried that into their adulthood, and I think that's what drives them today.
It's truly a family operation when we talk about me growing up, but of course as we get into another generation with son and daughter, both enjoy coming with us to the farm, helping, whether it be taking bag tags apart and helping load soybeans, or riding in the combine in the fall, or hooking up wagons, or whatever it is. Definitely what I want to pass on from my dad to me, to him, and my daughter, to be hard workers, always willing to help people, because that's going to carry on no matter where life takes them, whether it's back to the farm to help me, or expand a farming operation, or a different career path. Those are items that are going to serve them well no matter where they go.
The neighbors, as soon as they get a planter problem, they call them, and we've stopped at a couple places in the last few days helping guys out. So, and he's always can't wait to help somebody.
I try and help out the community, because at the end of the day, I wear a Kinze shirt. My name's behind the Kinze shirt, and I want the best experience for anybody. We always joke phones are busy with neighbors as well on product support on Kinze, from monitors to mechanical to whatever it may be. So that's been a lot of fun as well. Enjoy seeing them using Kinze product and getting the positive feedback from them of, you know what, I'm glad you mentioned it. I'm glad you've talked about it and kind of opened their eyes to the Kinze product, and has definitely expanded in that neck of the woods as well. Definitely a sense of pride for anybody where you're involved in product that was on a drawing board to physically putting seed in the ground. So definitely a pretty unique moment that really growing up and in going through college, and even starting here at Kinze 15 years ago, never thought that I would experience the opportunity to take a product that we designed here to production, to physically planting our crop at home. We decided to purchase a new Kinze planter this year. Of course, smaller operation. We stuck with a 3205. We had an older generation Kinze of similar design before, so we decided to go 3205 with all the 05 series enhancements. Really that whole experience growing up, from responsibility, sense of urgency, and hours or a clock doesn't matter. Meaning, if they need help, the weather's fit, it's time to go, whether it's Saturday, Sunday, middle of the night, early mornings, it doesn't matter. And that really helps resonate with what our products need to do, expectations of the customer, and really at the end of the day, this guy's planning his livelihood on it, and being involved in the farming operation, we fully understand that as well. And weather's the ultimate equalizer. When it's time to go, it's time to go. No matter what's going on, you're taking that initiative, that dedication, and that sense of urgency in the field with our customers, our users, and of course making product enhancements. Bringing that feedback from the customer back to our engineers and our technical groups here to really make a better product. And as we said multiple times before, planting is the most important function of the season, and really where I strive to be. I like being in that role to help him get the base started for his entire growing season, and really ultimately what he's going to make at the end of the year.